In this video, another heavy box. Hey guys, I'm Elliott, this is Everything Elliott, and if you saw one of my latest videos, you know that I am now sponsored by ESAB. So, in the last video, or I don't know if it was the last video or not, but we opened up a welder, a MIG welder, a Rebel 285 to be exact, and this box is gonna complement that welder when I mess things up. Let's get it open and see what it is. I mean, you might know what it is if you know who Thermal Dynamics is, or you might not. If we're as lucky as we were last time, there's gonna be another box in here. Would you look at that? A box inside a box. That's giving me, wait a minute. Is this a false box? It is a false box. I don't know what that smells like. Stretch Armstrong? All right, that was not that bad. Much lighter than the welder. I need like a Vanna White. This is a plasma cutter. I don't even know if you could see it. Oh yeah, you could see it. Let me move it a little bit. This is a plasma cutter, now that you can see it. Forbidden salt. We're gonna run into the same problem that I had with the welder. I don't have the correct connection. But the good thing is, this and the welder both take the same electrical receptacle, I guess, for lack of better terms. Not much to it. Air goes in there, sparks come out of here. Theodore. It's been a couple days since I've opened the plasma cutter open. Opened the plasma cutter open? Opened the plasma cutter. I don't really remember where we were. There's realistically only two things you need to hook up to get this thing running, and that's the ground and the torch. So now we should be pretty much ready to run. Now this Cutmaster 40 is rated for up to 1/2 inch thick material, which is, I mean, 99% of the stuff I'm going to be cutting is going to be 1/2 inch or less, but in case we run into something that's a little thicker than that, we have this, a brown box. But in said brown box is packing material. Oh, that's a tight fit. So this is a Journeyman Edge made by Victor, which is, as you can see, an ESAB brand. Now, this is a whole new torch setup. And if you guys have been following along, I actually just bought a new torch setup, but that's all right. So I'm not gonna open this whole box up because I don't need it right now, and I can set it up later. It's really nothing crazy. So yeah, when we need to cut things that are, you know, inch thick or something like that, we can use this torch set. And I use my torch, whoa! Got a mind of its own there. I use my torch set more for heating bolts that are frozen, so that's what we'll use that for. Back to the plasma cutter. Now, since my last video, I did fix the electric, so we do have the proper hookup now. And it just so happens, this plug is the same as the welder, so that really works out. And I see no reason why we can't test this thing out. Now, the only plasma cutter I've ever run before was just a little 110 volt plasma cutter, but I do have a piece of sheet steel that we can cut. And if you didn't know, you need an airline as well. Oh, this is tough one-handed. Oh yeah, that would help. I don't know what setting it needs to be on for this thickness. But I've got this piece of just, I don't know what gauge it is. You know, maybe make a cut here, maybe a couple cuts. I don't know, maybe we'll just cut this off so I can save this piece. All right, I don't really know what I'm doing, but here we go. Wow, that was impressively easy. And you can hear the air still running because it's cooling down the tip. That was super cool. Like, super, super cool. And I don't have cutting glasses, so I'm just kind of wearing this new helmet that ESAB sent. I gotta tighten it up a little bit because it just falls down. Yeah, this has got grind feature on it, so that's what I was using. That was impressive. Kind of at a loss, like how easy that really was. It's a super clean cut too. Don't mind my shaky hands, not a straight line, but that's a super, super clean cut. Well guys, we have all of our cutting solutions from ESAB. We've got the Victor torch set, the Cutmaster. Does it say Cutmaster? Yeah, the Cutmaster 40 from Thermal Dynamics, which is another ESAB company. ESAB's got like a whole family of companies, and then obviously we've got the Sentinel helmet here. I'm pretty excited to use this helmet for welding as well because that's one of my holdbacks. My old helmet was just, I mean, it was a cheap helmet and you really couldn't see much, and I was promised that this is going to make a world of a difference in my welding ability. So that's it. We have all of our cutting solutions. We'll be able to pretty much cut, melt, burn, just about anything with these two things. So off camera, I'll get the torches set up. It's really not that interesting. You just hook some hoses up. It's, I don't know, just opening boxes, I guess. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget, I'll leave links to this stuff down below if you want to check it out yourself. Until the next time, does that make sense? Until the next, I guess it meant. Until the next time, have a great day. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. I don't know why I always forget to do that. I should be better at this by now.